as a preparation for. Second, consistency. You have to make your children in order to make points. First, really knowing around the school is better to sacrifice a little bit of power for the sake of making the shot. Third, have a plan for each shot and goal. Have a purpose and have an idea as to what we want to do so that you can build your points and stack up towards the win. Because if you don't do that, you're just going to be responding to what your opponents have decided to do. You. Fight your play.
And with yourself and your partner, stay positive and take responsibility for your own emotional state out there. Everyone loves to play with a positive person. Be ready for the drive curve. Always be ready for the fire first because that one is the most likely to start you. It can dump and untrap you or get by you.
So this is the definitions of pickleball. So basic rules. So pickleball is played either as doubles, two player per team. So pickleball it is played by doubles each team. So dua man, or single. Double is most common. The same size playing area and rules are used for both singles and doubles. So the serve. The server's arm must be moving upward to arc when the ball is struck. So paddle contact with the ball must not be made above the waist level. So, So, mali ang picture. So, dili ka sa right side mag-serve. Ano mo ang ikapanin mo ang ball, dili po sa right side sa kanan. Ganit. Diba? Saan tayo niyo? Wala siya. Wala siya. Wala siya ako pa, dos kinis. Pag inalagin mo iba, wala ang ball. May contour siya na, kaya mo ikon. Saan tayo niyo? Wala siya. Ayun. The head of the paddle must not be above the highest part of the breast at contract. So a drop serve is also permitted, in which case none of the elements above apply. So at the time the ball is dropped, the server's feet may not touch the court or outside the imaginary station. So kung imo na na-strike ang kuha, ang bola, dili ka pwede mo touch na. Okay, touch mo sa kuha. Tawag ganit. The court or outside the imaginary station sa sideline or center line, at least 1 foot must be behind the baseline on the playing surface or the ground behind the baseline. So, ano to siya? The serve is made diagonally cross court. So, ano yung magiging niya? So, serve ka sa right, dali ka naman serve sa right. So, muna siya, ipapano ba? Cross. Ano na siya? Dahil yun, cross court and must land within the confines of the opposite diagonal court. So only one serve attempt is allowed per server. So ano yung iguan na? Kada team, one serve is allowed. So one attempt mo, makapanoy siya, fail na. Hindi na ka pwede matin. So one point, score na sa kwan. Tikas. Samtali niyo? Okay. Mapot.
Okay, these are the certain players of the circle. So you have serve and score points until the except for the first serve is equal to each game. Second is the first serve of each side out is made from the right even court. If a point is scored sides, and the server initiates the next serve from the left hand court. As subsequent points are scored, the server continues reaching back and forth until a point is created and the first server loses the serve. Then, when the first server loses the serve, the partner then serves from their correct side of the court, except for the first service sequence of the game. The second server continues serving until his team who makes a hole and loses the serve to the opposite team. And once the service goes to the opposition and side out, the first serve is from the right giving court and good players on the team have the opportunity to serve and score points when the other team commits two faults. Then the nationalist can signal the server from the right and even court when his or her score is even and from the left eye when the score
Win by 2. When the serving team score is even 0, 4, 6, 8, 10, the players who was the first server in the game for that team will be on the right even. The serving or receiving are 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. The players will be in the left court in serving or receiving.
the receiving team must let it bounce before returning it bounces. Then the serving team must let it bounce before returning the two bounces. After the ball has bounced one both teams may either volley hit the ball before it bounces or play it off a bounce ground stroke. The two bounce strokes designate the server and volley as long as the server
Line ball. A ball that takes three parts of any line around that body to line on the serve position. Oh, mula. May go kayo na sa linya. Tingin na siya. A serve that taking the body on line is short and long. Also, the abot sa net of lead ball.
The non-volley zone is a court area of 27 feet on the both sides of the ring. The volley is from the bifurcated wherein the non-volley zone. This role prevents players from executing matches from a position where it is a point F. When volleying a ball, the players step on the non-volley zone, clearing the line and or when the players moving from poses them or anything they are wearing or wearing to touch the non-volley zone including the straight lines. It is all after volleying, a player is carried by moving into or touches the non-volley zone, even if the volley ball is declared before this happens. A player legally be in the non-volley zone anytime other than playing volleying a ball. The non-volley zone is commonly referred to as the red zone.
Faults. A fault is any action that stops play because of a wrong violation. A fault by the serving team results in a point for the serving side of
Equipment used in pickleball. The necessary equipment required to play pickleball includes pickleball paddles, pickleballs, a pickleball court, and a pickleball net. Tape may be needed if identified court limits are marking if an official court is not available. An external net is also required if there is not an existing one located at any bag. First equipment is the bag. Any bag with enough space can be used to carry pickleball equipment. But most ideal and space efficient is a sling bag. These bags should contain enough room for at least 4 paddles and a few balls. So example sa pickleball bag. Next is pickleball ball. Ball hoppers. Much like tennis ball, hoppers are used to store balls during and outside of play. The size of hopper should allow for around 50 pickleballs to be stored and should be of easy and convenient access to the player. So, one example sa pickleball hopper. Ito tawag kita siya po na ay. Kasi sa pagtula o na lang. Next is pickleball. These are two different categories. Outdoor and indoor balls. Outdoor balls are made of hard plastic and smaller balls. Indoor balls are made up of less durable plastic but have larger holes because wind is not present. Next is pickleball hooks. Have a variety of topics including materials, strategies, history, techniques, and next is pickleball braces and support. Are used to protect the injury, spine support, and foot injuries, especially the joints. Braces are the most commonly used in the elbows and the knees, both of which are used extensively in that industry. Next is pickleball court. Pickleball court line tape is used solely for marking off the lines of pickleball court. Any kind of tape could use to mark off a pickleball court casually. But pickleball court line tape is a specific type smaller than the painter's tape. Next is pickleball grip tape. Is wrapped around the paddle where one would grip it. This grip tape enhances the grip markings. It's easier to handle and weight. Stronger grasp. Next is pickleball hat. There are no requirements for which type of hats are necessary for playing pickleball. The best hats for pickleball are performance face caps or visors that serves the primary purpose of keeping sweat and hair out of the face, blocking the sun from the player's face and improving court vision. Running up or down. Like up. Pickleball paddle cover should keep the paddle safe during travel and protect it from any possible damage. Most pickleball paddle covers only cover the actual paddle itself, leaving the paddle handle exposed. This makes the racing transportation access completely unsafe or floating away. Okay, so gano'n na rin siya sa pickleball paddle. Then a pickleball paddle is generally around 20 by 40 inches and typically weigh between 7 and 9 ounces. The paddle is resemblant of a table tennis paddle but is larger and is constructed of a few different materials. Pickleball paddles can be classified by 4 principal categories: brand, type, player, thread, and space. Same siya sa table tennis na paddle pero sila ko siya. Then, pickleball machine. Pickleball machine Fields like this already have been rapidly perfected for baseball and pickleball balls will not comply with this notification. The court size of pickleball.